Making his way to the ring from Michigan, weighing in at 291 pounds, Bei Steiner.
Guys, I hope you're ready, because it's now time for fatal four-way action. And this one should be exciting, Michael, especially considering all the different styles we'll have at play here tonight.
This guy's a maniac. He's totally out of control. I love it.
Here comes Lennard, straight from the ring. In Jersey, all fists up, I run this thing.
And from Munich, Germany, weighing in at 222 pounds, Karl Lennard.
Guys, we have four of WWE's biggest names set to do battle here tonight. And Michael, I can realistically see any one of these four superstars winning this match, which is what makes this match so unpredictable. The Celtic Warrior is here!
And from Dublin, Ireland, weighing in at 267 pounds, the Celtic Warrior,
The Celtic Warrior ready to go.
He doesn't just set the bar, he is the bar.
Now you think about everything that Sheamus has accomplished. Four-time WWE World Heavyweight Champion, former King of the Ring, two-time United States Champion, just to name a few of those accomplishments. But Sheamus, talking to him, feels like he isn't given the respect that he deserves as one of the most decorated champions in this company. Slam! Oh, ouch!
Now the old vicious head crank. Clothesline. Ooh. Oh.
Got the arm.
Oh my goodness, crushing it.
He's starting to stagger a bit, but it's going to take a lot more than that to stop him here tonight.
Oh, nasty impact. What a stomp.
Good grief.
He wants no part of the outside.
What a strike. Vicious knee.
Got the arm.
Oh my goodness, crushing it.
Looks like Warrior's starting to fade a little bit. At this point, it's all about how he responds and potentially rebounds.
A crucial point in the match here, guys. He's got a target on his back now, and I wouldn't be surprised to see a 3-on-1 attack here.
The good news for him is that he doesn't appear to have taken too much offense up to this point, but that can obviously all change here.
This might be it.
Oh my.
Oh, he's able to reverse it.
Oh man, what a leg drop.
Belly to belly.
Vicious. Oh boy, he is rolling. And Sheamus slips out of harm's way.
Flying forearm. What a stomp.
Good grief.
Wow, what impact.
He's looking a little off balance. This is absolutely not how he envisioned this four-way match going, guys.
Nothing good happens outside the ring, which is why I love it when guys go out there. Things are going to heat up now, fellas.
But if you're counting him out now,
Beautiful technique.
this might be the opportunity he needed.
Looking at it a second time. No, reverses it. Close quarters. Oh, what a knee. Sheamus.
Oh, man, that was nasty. Wow, I'm just as surprised as you guys are.
Oklahoma slam.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
Lifts him up.
What incredible power from the Warrior. Gorilla press slam. That has got to be it.
Oh, what a splash.
But he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough?
Shoulders on the mat. And he got a near fall out of it.
Yeah, but he's hurt, guys.
The Ultimate Warrior just too fast for him.
Ooh, what impact. This might be it.
Oh, my.
Back in the ring now.
Boom, right in the button.
Dominating shoulder tackle.
Just punched him right in the mouth. Relentless.
Back in the ring again.
Not today. Oh, right to the body. That hurt.
Cross the shoulders.
Slam.
That might have done it, Cole.
DDT.
Planted. He's going for the pin.
Slam down hard.
Set him up.
Beautiful side Russian leg sweep.
Sheamus's legs looking feeble. He could be on his way out of this one. He may very well be running on instinct right now.
Sheamus' rugged training is the only reason he's still in this match.
Michinoku driver.
Absolute.
And a pin attempt.
And he kicks out. Woo. When this guy's on, look out. Now back to the ring.
Here it comes. He's got him. No, there's the reversal.
Cross the shoulders. Beautiful technique. If that doesn't end it, I don't know what will.
Well, he's tapped it. He's got the shoulders down. 2.
Barely at 2.5.
Yeah, Ultimate Warrior just refuses to go down.
Oh, 3 massive Irish curse backbreakers. We may be looking at our winner here, guys.
That's how you wear down your opponent.
He knows he's in trouble.
Nailed it. Knocked off his feet. Now that's a takedown.
Uh-oh. Ultimate Warrior is looking to end it.
And the slam. Warrior might need a minor miracle to get back into this one.
I don't know how much more damage one person could take. I don't care how tough you are.
Oh, what a clothesline.
Forcefully delivered. The Ultimate Warrior just too fast for him.
What's Ultimate Warrior putting together here?
Whoa, he lets him out.
What a fool. He had him dead to rights.
Shoulder tackle. At this point, guys, I can see any incredible.
There was a lot of force behind that one.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
He's going for the pin. This could be it. 2, 3.
What a fatal 4-way victory.
And here's another peek at some of the more memorable parts of the match.
These guys showed flashes in this match, but flashes don't exactly set the world on fire, as these highlights showed very well. I know the match was solidly entertaining, but I really hope these guys would take it to the next level. Regardless, nobody's asking for their money back.
That was a big pinfall victory right there.
It could have gone so many different ways, but in the end, only one of these competitors had what it truly takes to be the alpha.
Listen to this Detroit crowd. I think they're already ready for the rematch.